Sitaram, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, and a pleasant good evening to each and every one of you. Welcome to Naya Valley in Matilda. Choti Sargam, which means a young musician, is a production of the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization, MGCO, of Gandhi Village, Devi. It's an 18 years and under singing, dancing, and musical competition designed to bring you the talent of Trinidad and Tobago. Choti Sargam is an 8-part series consisting of 4 preliminaries, 2 semi-finals, a grand final, and an all-star show presentation, with music by MGCO musical director Kapil Gayadeen and the TNTech Gayatoons Indian Orchestra, led by Maestro Rishi Gayadeen. This program was conceptualized by Bobby Sinat and Kapil Gayadeen and is being brought to you to life by our Mr. Anthony Maharaj and IETB. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like to please welcome Ms. Nadia Madhu and Ken Mohammed to do our opening prayer.
Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Chasaka Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-rahmanir rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
We
Ladies and gentlemen, this year, 2012, the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization of Gandhi Village, Devi, celebrates our 8th annual song and dance competition on October 14, 2012, and now our first television talent series. Ladies and gentlemen, this is due to the hard work of the founder and CEO of this organization, Mr. Bobby Sinath, who works tirelessly during the year, planning and preparing for these events. I now wish to share with you a short history of the journey that led to this successful event. Bobby Sinath was born and raised in Gandhi Village, Devi, who then migrated to the United States of America in 1989, but who kept in touch with all his friends from the land of his birth. Initially, Bobby wanted to honor his late parents and at the same time do something for the village and community in which he was raised. He came up with the concept of constructing the statue of the Mahatma, since this was the only village named after the great soul here in Trinidad and Tobago and in the Western Hemisphere. After construction, he called a few of his close friends, including our musical director, Mr. Kapil Gayadeen, and persons like late Sham Rambaros, Mr. Premchand Jagdev, and Ramlal June for the unveiling of the statue. This event in 2003 received national coverage from the media here in Trinidad. Following its success, Bobby decided to do something more tangible for the benefit of persons with charity in mind. And so the MGCO was formally conceptualized, and this was warmly received by the general community. This organization was launched with a competition for young persons in 2005. Each year this competition has grown with more and more contestants competing for a place in the finals. The auditions saw some of the most talented youngsters from all over Trinidad, and which resulted in our program Choti Sargam. Ladies and gentlemen, the MGCO was developed to promote the concept of community service and East Indian culture, and to encourage young people to engage in positive behavior and cultural activities. Tonight's competition is one means of achieving this goal. We hope you enjoy and appreciate this program, and we look forward to your continued support. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Premchand Jagdev, who will be performing a guest song for us.
जब जीरो दिया मेरी भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाए। देतान दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाज लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आए, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आए, पहले जन्मी जहाँ पे कला। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला यूं आगे बढ़ा, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले। भगवान करे और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ और ना आता हो हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है। जिस मान चुकी सारी दुनिया हो, जिस मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, जीते हूँ किसी ने देश का, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है। जहाँ राम अभी तक है नर में, नारी में अभी तक सीता है। कितने पावन है लोग जहाँ, कितने पावन है लोग जहाँ, मैं नित नित शीश झुकाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। शुक्रिया।
At this time, we would like to express our gratitude to the folks at Comfort Cooling. For all your air conditioning needs, they are the sole distributors for peak AC units and explosion-proof systems. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Kokie Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. Special thank you to RNN Electronics for all your electronic needs, parts, TVs, radios, car stereos, musical instruments and much more. Please visit them at number 11 Cepero Street in San Fernando or call 657-2749 or 657-9227. To the Minister and the Ministry of Arts and Multiculturalism, we say thank you for your invaluable contribution to Choti Sargam. Special thanks to Brian Maharaj of Brian Contractors Limited of Lachus Road in Pinal. Thank you for continuing to support Choti Sargam and the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization. We would like to thank the folks at Aircon Parts for all your air conditioning parts. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Kokie Village in San Fernando or call them at 652-6378.
Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to welcome the producer of Mastana Bahar and children of Mastana Bahar to give for us a short speech, Mr. Kayal Mohammed.
Thank you. Sitaram, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. Very good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to be here this evening, to be part of this first preliminary round of this very exciting competition that is going to feature the talent of our country. Mastana Bahar Productions would like to join with you in congratulating the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization. In particular, we want to say a big thank you, and we want to say congratulations to our friend, Mr. Bobby Sinat. I want to ask you to put your hands together and give this gentleman a big round of applause. Mr. Sinat, other executive members of the organization, Premchand Jagdev, Kapil Balwant, Gayadeen, and all the other people who would have come together to put this competition together, we say hats off to them. Any opportunity provided to our young people to show off their talent, to sing or dance or play music and do something positive must be commended. And today we're here to be part of the start of this very exciting competition. I know there are a number of top-class youngsters who are going to sing and dance and play music for us, and we are going to enjoy their talent. I also want to say a special thank you to all the parents who are here this evening, who have given these children all the encouragement. Let's give them a nice round of applause as well. So on behalf of all of us at Mastana Bahar and the children of Mastana, to Mr. Bobby Sinat and the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization, we want to wish you all and all the participants all the best for Choti Sargam 2012. Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Mr. Kayal Mohammed. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Ram Nawaris Dwarka to say a few words for us, please.
Thank you very much, Katrina. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a pleasure this evening to be here, to see so many of you here, young people who have come to support this effort. Myself from Gandhi Village, and better known for speaking on issues of substance abuse and chemical dependence, this evening it is indeed a breath of fresh air to have a program like this, a beacon of hope for young people. I must say that I have been associated with the Mahatma Gandhi organization from the very inception. I have been in constant dialogue with Mr. Bobby, who lives all the way in Virginia, but never fails to call and speak about his plans for this program. I also want to say that many a young person today who is on the national landscape, who has made themselves very popular through the art form, has first had their debut through the Mahatma Gandhi organization, which today I must say has established a level of credibility that I know a lot of you have no doubt in the integrity of the judging and this organization as an organization that can take you into the national limelight. Today, I want to say it is indeed a pleasure to be here, to be associated with this effort. And I want to say to all those people who would be looking at this program, both locally and internationally, that this is a program deserving of your support. I want to thank the parents and the participants and to wish them all the best in the competition. And I also finally would like to thank Bobby and to recognize the effort he has been making almost single-handedly to carry this program. And I want to encourage him to continue in the vein. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ram Naresh Dwarka. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome the MGCO President, Mr. Clifford Rambarus.
Thank you very much, Katrina Sinat. Namaste, Sitaram, to all the guests here tonight, our panel of judges, the musicians, the camera crew. I must say, it is indeed a great pleasure for me to be here tonight at this Chote Sargam competition. 8 years ago, the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization had a competition for the youths that was 21 and under. And I can remember the first audition that we had. We just had 9 contestants. And we needed 10 people. You know, so we had to like go out to the village and beg people to come out into the competition.
And from that first audition, we had this competition with the 10 people. Then the second year, we had just a few more, about 15 people. But by the time we reached the 7th and 8th year of this competition grew so big that we had audition of 85 and 90 people taking part into the Mahatma Gandhi charitable organization singing and dancing competition. This year, we are having our competition, our date just put off, but stemming from that competition, this is how this new competition has been born, which we give the younger youths, that's 18 and under, a chance to compete among themselves in this series of competition to come up to the finals and to win this competition. But this is our first year. We now started this new born competition here, and I know by the next couple of years, this hall will be maximum packed with people. We might have to show some shed outside of this hall here tonight. And I would say, you know, I'd like to thank all the people who supported us, all the judges who volunteered their time, the musician, Kaplan crew, all our sponsors, and to all the competitors tonight. I wish you all great success and very competitive and exciting competition. So ladies and gentlemen, I thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Clifford Rambarus. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like to welcome the founder and CEO of the MGCO, Mr. Bobby Sinat.
Thank you very much, Masters of Ceremony, Mrs. Petrina Bhagan. Sitaram, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, and a pleasant good evening to each and every one of you all here this evening. And for all those who is listening or viewing us via the internet, I would like to say thank you also very much. I would like to pay my respects to each and every one of you all here this evening also. Today, I would like to confess something to you all. What my mother used to say to me many a times, that I will be a lucky and I will be a wealthy person. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, I always wondered why she told me that. And my interpretation of that was just what I thought it was, being lucky and financially rich. But I haven't come close to accomplishing the type of wealth I thought she was referring to. Many times people will approach me and say, we are doing good things here with this foundation. And I thank them very much for that, and I've said we will continue to do good things, and we'll continue to do better things as long as we continue to get the support from you all. But I wholeheartedly believe all of this is the result of the type of people I have been associated with throughout my life. When I was growing up and getting involved in business, I was fortunate to have fallen under the guidance of two very special people. And when I said business, I mean the music business. As a young person, I aspired to be a musician and a singer. And in that breath, I was very, very fortunate. The first being Mr. Premchand Jagdeo, whom from the very beginning taught me the values of respect for our culture. And second being Mr. Kapil Gaidin, who from the very beginning, just like Premchand Jagdeo, taught me the very same values. These two gentlemen did not just talk the talk. They walked the walk by setting examples through their action. They never let the glitz and glamour of easy money influence their decision into making the right choices. Not just for themselves, but for our culture in general. And for that, I will be eternally grateful to these two gentlemen. So when I look back today, ladies and gentlemen, at what my mother used to tell me about being wealthy unlucky, I have come to understand what she was really referring to. But standing here today, as God is my witness, I wholeheartedly believe that I'm not just a lucky person, but I'm a very fortunate one at that. And today I can safely say that I have my mother's blessing. And for all you children, when you have your parents' blessing, you will always be successful in whatever venture you may seek to endeavor upon. But remember, in so doing, the choice that you make today can determine what type of a life you're going to have in the future. I made the decision to marry my wife, Parvati Jones. She is the sister of Raj Ramlal Jones. It's the best thing that I have ever done in my life. She is one of the constant persons who stuck with me through the most difficult times and periods in my life. She never gave up on our marriage, no matter how difficult it became at times. And for that, I will forever be grateful to her. Hate and malice will imprison you, while love and passion, honesty will free you. We need to face up to who we are in order to become who we want to become. Never be ashamed of who you are. The one who is scared of the ordeals cannot achieve their dreams. And never apologize to anyone for being correct. Many a time people want to punish you for speaking the truth and disagreeing with them. But in the end, the truth shall prevail. But make no mistake about it, ladies and gentlemen, our children need our fullest support. And from recent reports that most of our primary school in this country is underperforming, what I suggest is that some of our religious leaders stop going on radio and talking and start doing something to come up with a solution to fix this very serious problem of ours. Our children are the future, and all emphasis must be placed there, not just for their sake, but for that of our national interests as well. And with over 40% of this population being that of East Indian descent, I continue to ask the question, why is Hindi not a nationally taught language in our schools? Today our culture is at an impasse, influenced by the lure of easy money, glitz and glamour. We have an abundance of bad behavior coming from just about all segments of our society. Our standard has dropped drastically, not just here in the Western world, but also from the eastern part of the world. More so, the Indian film industry in Bollywood. And recently, the great legendary playback singer in Manna Day echoed these sentiments by saying how disappointed and saddened he is, especially with the people who is in authority to do something about it, like the film producers, songwriters and musicians, directors, and so forth. Let us use this God-given opportunity to uplift mankind, because this life of ours is very precious. We've done a great deal of good to accomplish this opportunity. So let us put it to full use to do what is best in the interest of each and every one of us. We here at the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization is trying to project and emulate is to give to our children the best possible opportunity and environment to succeed. But make no mistake about it. We cannot do this without the full support of you all, and especially of our business community. And as it stands currently, we don't have enough financial support to pay for this program, leave alone others. But it's going to be done. Like in the past, that will continue into the future. Every dollar that is given to this organization will be used for the purpose in which you are contributing, 100% of it. So again, I'm asking for your financial support, because out of 32 total contestants on this program, Chote Sargam, the child who plays 30 seconds will be guaranteed at least $500. This program, Chote Sargam, was born out of Mastana Bahar. Make no mistake about it. And what the late Mr. Shah Mohammed did for us as a people through Mastana Bahar itself has stood the test of time. And we should all be grateful to him. And now Mr. Kyle Mohammed and the Mohammed family. This is why we are dedicating this opening program today, Chote Sargam, our very first program premiering on television, and we are dedicating this program in the honor of the late Mr. Shah Mohammed. I would like to say a very special thank you to all of our sponsors, and especially Mr. Carl Hopang, the owner of Near Valley, for making this place available for us for the recording of this entire series of Chote Sargam. In ending, I would like to wish all of our children in this competition all the success. And may the good Lord continue to bless you all. And may the good Lord continue to bless this lovely country of Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you all so very much. Sitaram, namaste.
At this time, we would like to express our gratitude to the folks at Comfort Cooling. For all your air conditioning needs, they are the sole distributors for peak AC units and explosion-proof systems. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Coquille Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. To the Minister and the Ministry of Arts and Multiculturalism, we say thank you for your invaluable contribution to Chote Sargam. Many thanks to Mr. K.S. Chimpaya of K.S. Chimpaya Contracting Services Limited, located at the corner of Junoon Street East and Southern Main Road in California, for continuing to support the program Chote Sargam. We say thanks to the folks of Chief Brand Products of the Uriah Butler Highway in Charleville, telephone 665-4144 or 665-5012. We also say thanks to the National Lotteries Control Board of number 119 to 121 Duke Street in Port of Spain, telephone 623-1831.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very first item to start off this competition comes from number 51 Gandhi Village, Debe. To perform for us a dance item taken from the movie Dulha Mil Gaya entitled Aja Aja. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 1, Alicia Jogi.
आजा दिल जानिया वे आजा
would like to thank the folks at Aircon Parts for all your air conditioning parts. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Coquille Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. Special thanks to Mr. Totaram Singh and the folks at Quintana Contracting Limited of Budu Trace in Pinal. Special thanks to the folks at RS Furnitures of number 1066 Siparia Erie Road in Pinal, telephone 647-3682. Special thanks to the folks at Mario's Pizza. Feeling hungry? Then sink your teeth into one of Mario's Pizzas and their many combo meals.
With the music of the TNT Gayatones Indian Orchestra, this 15-year-old student of the Saraswati Girls Hindu School will be doing for us a song from the movie Umrao Jan entitled Salam. From number 486 Arena Road in Freeport, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Ravina Haricharan.
इस दिल को हमने समझाया, दिल यहाँ फिर भी
also say thanks to the National Lotteries Control Board of number 119 to 121 Duke Street in Port of Spain, telephone 623-1831. Special thanks to Brian Maharaj of Brian Contractors Limited of Lachus Road in Pinal. Thank you for continuing to support Choti Sargam and the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization. We extend our gratitude to the management and staff of Dave Sibalak Hardware of number 239 SS Erie Road in Pinal, telephone 647-3468. We would like to thank the management and staff of DRRS Drive-In Hardware of Debe Trace in Debe for their continued support of the program Choti Sargam.
Our third item on today's program is a song originally done by Manadi from the movie Main Shadi Karne Chala, entitled Albeli Nar, which means a beautiful maiden is looking for her lover. From number 64B, Philippine Road in San Fernando, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Rajiv Mangal.
Sa mi sa ga ma pa dha pa ga ma re sa ga ma re sa Albelinar Pritam Dware Albelinar Pritam Dware Albelinar Kari gungat kole Rasakiyon mein dole Mujhse kaun bare Chup ke wo nihare Albelinar Pritam Dware Albelinar Gama pa 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 da 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 ni 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 da pa ma ga re sa sa ni sa ni re sa re sa ni re sa re sa ni re sa re sa re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa 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 नैना झुके झुके मस्ती में झूले सरे सनी धनी द प द प म ग म ग म ग रे सा ग म ग रे सा सरे ग म प नैना झुके झुके मस्ती में झूले और उते दो जी हाथ झूले देखो रे देखो कोई बावरी कैसा जादू करे चुप के वो निहारे अलबेलिनार अलबेलिनार प्रीतम द्वारे अलबेलिनार गम पद पद नि सा नि द प म ग रे सा अलबेलिनार पद नि सा ध नि सा रे सा नि द प म ग रे सा अलबेलिनार सरे गम पद नि सा नि द प म ग रे सा अलबेलिनार प्रीतम अल गम प म प गम प म प गम प प म ग प म ग प म ग प म ग प म सरे सा प म ग रे सा प म ग सरे ग रे गम गम प म प द प द नि ध नि सा नि द प म ग रे सा सरे गम प सा नि गम प सा नि गम प प्रीतम द्वारे अलबेलिनार गम प म प द प द नि ध नि सा नि ध नि सा नि ध नि सा नि नि द द प प म म ग ग रे सा नि नि द द प प म म ग ग रे सा नि नि द द प प म म ग ग रे गम द नि सा गम द नि सा गम द नि गम द नि सा गम द नि सा गम द नि सा सा प्रीतम द्वारे
It's music time, ladies and gentlemen, and doing for us on the violin is a musical item from the movie Rani Rukmati entitled Our Lord Keaja Mere Meet from number 7 D Huggins Trace, Kunjal Road in Barrackpore. Let's welcome contestant number 4, Akshay Singh.
At this time, we would like to express our gratitude to the folks at Comfort Cooling for all your air conditioning needs. They are the sole distributors for peak AC units and explosion-proof systems. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Coquille Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. The Minister and the Ministry of Arts and Multiculturalism, we say thank you for your invaluable contribution to Choti Sargam. Special thank you to RNN Electronics for all your electronic needs, parts, TVs, radios, car stereos, musical instruments and much more. Please visit them at number 11 Cepero Street in San Fernando or call 657-2749 or 657-9227. Many thanks to Mr. K.S. Chimpaya of K.S. Chimpaya Contracting Services Limited, located at the corner of Junoon Street East and Southern Main Road in California, for continuing to support the program Choti Sargam.
sister dance team will be doing for us a modern dance item from the movie Hum Saath Saath Hai. From number 9, Debi Trace in Debi, let's put our hands together for Alicia and Shiva Gangaram.
मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया पनघट पे मेरी पकड़े है भैया तंग मुझे करता है संग मेरे लड़ता है राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया पनघट पे मेरी पकड़े है भैया तंग मुझे करता है संग मेरे लड़ता है राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची हूँ राम जी की कृपा से
Special thanks to Brian Maharaj of Brian Contractors Limited of Lachus Road in Pinal. Thank you for continuing to support Choti Sargam and the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization. We would like to thank the folks at Aircon Parts for all your air conditioning parts. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Kokie Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. We also say thanks to the management and staff of Buru's Funeral Home of number 1273 Erie Road in Pinal, telephone 647-2647. We say thanks to the folks of Chief Brand Products of the Uriah Butler Highway in Charleville, telephone 665-4144 or 665-5012.
Local classical singing takes the spotlight. This will be done in the Drupad style. On the Dolak, Azad Ali. On the Dantal, Ramsaran Rampasad. Accompanying herself on the harmonium from number 33 Looney Road, Indian Walk in Maruga. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 6, Reena Mahadev.
मेरी शीश सरस्वती बंदो चमो नमः शंकर कारी करी ही प्रथम मीदी भूका ही प्रथम मीदी भूका नाच रे परमी नाच रे परमी महादेव अंत का मारा नारायण होत देव भूमा हे प्रथम मीदी भूमा विद्यामान सरस्वती नरी मार गंगा 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 तीन मान्य सूर्य चूरे नैना मारे गंगा गीत गूत गीत मार सच जय अच्छन मार गीत गूत गीत मार सच जय अच्छन मार अचरज सूर्य मानी अच मारे गंगा ही प्रथम मीदी भूमा विद्यामान सरस्वती नरे मार गंगा 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 तीन माने सूर्य चूरे नैना मारे गंगा गीत गूत गीत मार सच जय छंद मार गीत गूत गीत मार सच जय छंद मार अचरज सूर्य मानी अच मारे गंगा ही प्रथम मीदी होकर थैंक यू
To the Minister and the Ministry of Arts and Multiculturalism, we say thank you for your invaluable contribution to Choti Sargam. Many thanks to Mr. K.S. Chimpaya of K.S. Chimpaya Contracting Services Limited, located at the corner of Junoon Street East and Southern Main Road in California, for continuing to support the program Choti Sargam. Special thanks to the folks at Mario's Pizza. Feeling hungry? Then sink your teeth into one of Mario's pizzas and their many combo meals. We extend our gratitude to the management and staff of Dave Sibalak Hardware of number 239 SS Erie Road in Pinal. Telephone 647-3468.
This devotional dance is dedicated to Lord Ganesh in the Bharat Natyam style, with hairstyle and makeup done by Nisha Lal Bihari and choreography done by the dancer herself. Let's welcome from number 96A Golconda in San Fernando, contestant number 7, Trisha Lal Bihari.
Gurur Brahma Gurudevo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
At this time, we would like to express our gratitude to the folks at Comfort Cooling for all your air conditioning needs. They are the sole distributors for peak AC units and explosion-proof systems. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Coquille Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. Special thanks to the folks at RS Furnitures of number 1066 Siparia Erin Road in Pinal, telephone 647-3682. Special thank you to RNN Electronics for all your electronic needs, parts, TVs, radios, car stereos, musical instruments and much more. Please visit them at number 11 Sipero Street in San Fernando or call 657-2749 or 657-9227. We also say thanks to the National Lotteries Control Board of number 119 to 121 Duke Street in Port of Spain, telephone 623-1831.
Our final contestant is coming in from number 17.5 Mile Mark Junction Road in Sangre Grande. This contestant is a Form 5 student of the Swaha Hindu College. The song, originally done by Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, is entitled Surili Akiyo Wali, with music by the musical master Mr. Rishi Gaideen and his Tienta Gaya tunes. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, Akshay Kandu.
सुरीली अखियों वाले सुनाए तेरे अखियों से बहती है नींदें और नींदों में सपने, कभी तो किनारे पे उतर मेरे सपनों से, आजा ज़मीं पे और मिल जा कहीं पे, मिल जा कहीं। कभी मेरी अखियों की जाने तू कहाँ है, उड़ती हवा पे तेरे पैरों के निशान देखे, जाने तू कहाँ है, उड़ती हवा पे तेरे पैरों के निशान देखे, तू नए ज़मीन पे जाने पलक पे सारे आसमां देखे, मिल जा कहीं समय से परे, समय से परे, मिल जा कहीं, तू भी अखियों से कभी मेरी अखियों की सी। वो तुम्हें चुपके देख रहे थे, चांद के पीछे पीछे थे, वो तुम्हें चुपके देख रहे थे, चांद के पीछे पीछे थे, सारा जमाने का आँखों में, पलकों के नीचे दे, आज चल के ही समय से परे, समय से परे, मिल जा कहीं, तू भी अखियों से कभी मेरी अखियों की सी। सुरीली अखियों वाले सुना है तेरे अखियों से, सुरीली अखियों वाले सुना है जरा अखियों से, सुरीली अखियों वाले सुना है जरा अखियों से। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Special thanks to Mr. Totaram Singh and the folks at Quintana Contracting Limited of Voodoo Trace in Pinal. We say thanks to the folks of Chief Brand Products of the Uriah Butler Highway in Charleville, telephone 665-4144 or 665-5012. We also say thanks to the management and staff of Buru's Funeral Home of number 1273 Erie Road in Pinal, telephone 647-2647. Special thanks to Brian Maharaj of Brian Contractors Limited of Lachus Road in Pinal. Thank you for continuing to support Choti Sargam and the Mahatma Gandhi Charitable Organization.
At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to introduce our MGCO Spin to Win competition. The first thing we'll do is ask, what's your name?
Karishma Subnai.
We'll ask Karishma to choose a number. Whoever gets that number, come on stage. You will be winning $100 appearance fee. Then we'll ask you a question. If you get the question correct, the answer, you'll get a chance to spin to win several different amounts on the wheel. Karishma, please pull a number for us.
635873.
Okay, that number is 635873. Welcome, congratulations. Just for getting that number, $100. What is your name?
Ravindra.
Okay, Ravindra, I have a question for you. If you get the answer correct, you're going to get a chance to spin to win some money. Okay? Now listen carefully. What year was the statue of Mahatma Gandhi unveiled in Gandhi Village, Delhi?
2002.
2002. That is incorrect. Sorry about that. At least you've won $100 and you'll be able to spend it on yourself. Okay. The correct answer to the question, what year the statue of the Mahatma Gandhi was unveiled in Gandhi Village, is 2003.
At this time, we would like to express our gratitude to the folks at Comfort Cooling for all your air conditioning needs. They are the sole distributors for peak AC units and explosion-proof systems. You can visit them at number 8 Forest Avenue, Coquille Village in San Fernando, or call them at 652-6378. To the Minister and the Ministry of Arts and Multiculturalism, we say thank you for your invaluable contribution to Choti Sargam. Special thanks to the folks at Insurance Brokers West Indies Limited for all your insurance needs, with 2 branches in Port of Spain and San Fernando. You can call them at 625-1281.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we will have the first giveaway of our program. A coffee table compliments Krishna Sounds of Gasparilla. I'll now like to invite an audience member to take a ticket. What's your name?
Karina.
Karina, would you kindly take a ticket? Number 635932. Congratulations. Number 635932. Congratulations. You won the first prize of the evening of our competition. Congratulations. It compliments Krishna Sounds of Gasparilla. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank all our contestants for competing in Choti Sargam. And at this time, I would like to announce our winners of the competition this afternoon. Trisha Lalbihari, Rajiv Mangal, and Akshay Singh. These 3 contestants will be moving on to the semi-final round. And on the 4th preliminary round, we will be announcing a 4th winner in today's competition who will be moving on to the semi-final. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on Choti Sargam. And please join us again next week at the same time for a 2nd preliminary round. Thank you, Sitaram, and have a good night.